Hello everyone, and welcome to this flip through of another folio. This time it's got a real Tim flavour to it. It's got Timmy papers used throughout, and I hope you like it. I really like this one. It's got the familiar string and button closure. It's a black button, and I particularly like it with the Timmy style of things, the vintage style. So it just undoes and unwraps around, and then it stays there in the front so you don't lose it. So this is our first flap here. Second flap is this chap. I don't know if he's called P. Hoffner, but it was kind of close to him, so I've left it in. And then this one. Now I haven't decorated this. I've literally put the papers on. It's up to you how you want to finish it. The only real bit of decoration that I've added is this bit of linen tape here, because I just thought it set it all off rather nicely. But you know, you could use rub-ons or stamps, stencil, even anything at all to bring all this to life. Ink splatters, Janya, would look great. And there again, I mean, ink splatters. If you are going to splatter it, I would recommend putting a bit of paper behind it, just so you don't splatter everything and then splatter it like that. So there's lots of things that you could do to it, really there are. And that all opens up like that. And there, once again, I mean, you could put a photograph, you could do so much to it. And I probably will make one for myself so I can have the joy of decorating it. Then inside here we've got a quite large belly band with black lace down either side, so you can put many a thing in there, I would have thought. And once again, you can decorate this if you want to. You know, you could put a tag in there, a little pocket and a tag. There's loads of ideas. Then here it's got a double pocket there and there. So yes, there's openings for tags, journaling cards and whatever, but the pockets themselves lend themselves to be decorated. You know, stamping on there, or stamping on a piece of paper and then adding it to there. Splatter it with ink. Oh, there's loads you could do. Then fold that open again. Now here we've got a waterfall, and this is a beautiful waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little waterlets. I don't know what you call them, you know, bits of a waterfall. I haven't additionally decorated any backs or fronts. Entirely up to you what you do with them. I was talking to Mr. F just before there about what I would do, and certainly on these ones here, I think I'd either use rub-offs or a stamp just on the edge. I don't think it needs anything else. But that doesn't mean to say you can't add other things. You know, photos, the little peeps, anything. So that's that. Then this, oh no, we haven't looked at this. There's a big side tuck pocket here. So once again, you know, floor's open to you to put nice journaling card in there, whatever. I mean, there's so many things you could do with this, there really is. And also this here. Yeah, go to town. Then as you open that up, we've got a little corner. This is a tuck here. This side isn't glued down, so it makes it easier to get things in and out of. So yeah, same goes for that, exactly. And then we've got our journal, which is, I don't know, it's got quite a few pages in. It's sewn together, but then it's attached with elastic. So we've got the cover, then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 14 pages if you like, or 28 if you're counting back and front. And as I say, we've got the cover. I purposely chose this paper because although it's really beautiful, I love all the florals that Tim does. I really, really, really do. It does lend itself to being, I'm trying not to say tarted up because that doesn't sound too good, does it? But, you know, decorated. Let's just say decorated. And here you get the idea that there has been a bit of packing tape on there at some stage, and that it's been peeled off and it's left this stain. Now, I showed you some while ago how I do my faux packing tape, H4 tack. You know what I mean. I'm just tripping over my words, so I hope you know what I mean. How I faux age packing tape. That's it. So if you want to see that again, let me know, but it is out there somewhere, and I think that would look quite nice on here, as would just about anything. So that flips over to there, and then here we've got this page. Now, I haven't put a pocket or anything on that because out of all my Tim Holtz papers that I have, this image is my favourite. I absolutely love it. So it's on there. It's entirely up to you what you do with it. Of course it is. You know, you could put a big pocket up there and just have a head sticking out if that's what you want. I couldn't bear to do that, but maybe you can. But there's lots of space here that you can do all sorts of things with without covering her up. But, you know, the choice is yours. The spines are covered as well. As I say, this is on elastic, so it will come out should you wish to take it somewhere. And it folds over like that, and then the front comes over like so. So it is a folio that still needs decorating. You know, the actual journaling cards, tags, some stamping, some this, some that, you know what I mean? There's still plenty for you to do, but the basis is all there, all ready and waiting for you to just pick up the ball and run with it. I hope you like it. I love it. I really do love it. It's just gorgeous. You're buying so much potential. So thanks for looking. I really hope that you like it as much as I do, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.